Hey little artists! Welcome to Curiosity Critters TV. Today we're going to draw some awesome shapes together. So grab your crayons, markers, or use your magic drawing fingers. Ready to go?
Yay!
Let's draw! Let's draw a circle. Start at the top. Go around to the left. And keep going in a big loop. Now meet back at the top.
Yay, we did it!
You might see a circle in a ball. A pizza. Or a clock. Let's draw a square. Start at the top left. Draw a line across the top. Now go down the side. Across the bottom. And back up to the top.
We made a square!
Squares are in windows, dice, and boxes. Next up, triangle time. Start at the top point. Slide down to the bottom left. Now go across the bottom. Then back up to the top.
Triangle complete!
You will see triangles in a pizza slice.
Whoa!
Or a road sign. Time for a rectangle. Start at the top left. Go across the top. Then down the side. Now across the bottom. And back up.
That was fun!
Rectangles are like books, doors, and phones. Let's draw an oval. Start at the top. Curve around like an egg. Now back to the top.
It's an oval!
You'll find ovals in balloons, eggs, and faces. Awesome job today!
Yay!
You drew 5 cool shapes. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Curiosity Critters TV. See you in part 2.
Keep drawing!